Hello friends, welcome back to the Python programming session. In today's session, let's look into the histograms in Matplotlib. So what are histograms basically? Histograms are used to visualize the distribution of a numerical variable over an interval. So basically, it is used to visualize the distribution, how it gets distributed, the values get distributed over a period of interval. Histograms can be created with a hist method in Matplotlib. So with the help of hist method, we can create histograms in Matplotlib. Suppose we want to plot more than one histograms in the same chart, then we have to specify the alpha parameter so that the graph becomes transparent. So now let's look into it with the help of an example. Suppose I'm importing matplotlib.pyplot as PLT. Then I'm having company 1 underscore salary, which is a list of 15 employees, the salaries of 15 employees in company 1. So it is 10,000, 5,000, 4,000, 6,000. So we have salaries of 15 such employees. Now let me say fig comma ax is equal to plt dot subplots. So I'm using object oriented plotting method. Now let me say ax.hist. Hist is the method to plot the histograms. And let me pass my list company 1 underscore salary. So company 1 underscore salary is the value which I am passing. Values list which is having the values. And let me give my alpha parameter is equal to 0.5. So these are the two parameters which I am passing. And now let me say my ax dot set underscore title, and let me give it as salary of employees. Next let me say ax dot set underscore x label. In the x label let me say it as salary, and ax dot set underscore y label, which will have the number of employees. Here, okay, these are the three. One is the title, the other is X label, and the third one is the Y label. Now let me plot it onto this screen by saying plot.show. And now let me run my code. So I get my histogram in this particular manner. So there are around 4 employees whose salary is less than 10,000, that is 0 to 10,000. Around 4 employees are present. And again from 20s, some 2 employees are there, and in 45 to 50 range another 2 employees are there, and in all other ranges there we have one employee. So it distributes the values over a given interval. These are the intervals or the number of employees, and 10 to 20,000 we can say it as one interval, and it will give the number of employees in this particular interval. 20 to 30 is the interval, and it will give the number of employees present in this particular interval. So these are the intervals, and it is the number of employees. Title is salary of employees, x-axis is salary, y-axis is number of employees. So we got the histogram in this particular manner. Now, if I want to plot another histogram, say company 2, let me copy it. So let me say company 2 is another list of salaries of 15 employees present in company 2. Now I want to plot the company 2 histogram as well. So let me say ax.hist company 2 underscore salary is the data. alpha, let me give it equal to 0.5. And here let me give edge color equal to white. Here also let me specify my edge color equal to white. And let me give a label telling it as company 2. And here let the label be equal to company 1. So let's change our title. Comparison of salaries. Let me make it as comparison of salary of employees in two companies. In two companies. X label is salary, Y label is again number of employees. So we are having two histograms. So we have given the alpha parameter so that we'll get the transparency factor. So now when I run this particular code, I get my histogram in this particular manner. So here we can see that the shaded one is of company 1 and this orange is purely of company 2. So what all insights can we form from this particular histogram? We can see that the blue color which stands for company 1, or let me give a legend also, ax.legend. So company 1 is blue in color and company 2 is orange in color. So we see there are many employees whose salary is between 10 to 20,000, and less than 10,000 also there are many employees in company 1. But in company 2, that is the orange colored one, the starting salary itself starts at 20,000. There are no employees having salary less than 20,000. So this is one insight which we can get from this particular histogram. And there are many employees with 20,000 to 30,000 in company 2, whereas in company 1 there are many employees whose salary is less than 10,000. And also the highest salary, which is 60,000, is present in company 2, whereas in company 1 we have only till 50,000. So the highest salary 60,000 is present by an employee present in company 2. And many employees are there whose salary is less than 10,000 in company 1, that is one insight. 20 to 30,000 salary, many employees are there in company 2, that is another insight. Highest salary is present by an employee in company 2, that is another insight. So we can find out many insights with the help of the histogram. So histogram basically represents helps us to visualize the distribution of a numeric variable. So we pass in the data, we call the hist method, pass in the data and we get a histogram. And if we want to specify more than one histogram in the same chart, like how we are doing it over here, then we have to use the alpha parameter so that we can see the overlapping ones. So there is transparency while seeing the data. So this is how histograms work in Matplotlib. I've specified edge color equal to white. So we have a white edge color after each of the histograms. We have a white edge color. If we don't give edge color equal to white, we will not have any white edge color in our histograms. So friends, hope so it was clear for you. In this example, we compared company 1 salary and company 2 salary and we plotted the histogram. So hope so it was clear for you. If you have any doubts, please do reach to me out in the comment section. If you like my video, click on the like button and please do subscribe to get notification of my new videos. Till then, see you. Bye bye.